Imagine this. You finally receive your dream job offer abroad. Maybe it's in the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Kuwait, Bahrain, Europe, Canada, Australia, or another country you've always dreamed of working in. Everything is ready. You've resigned from your current job, you've booked your flight, you've started planning your future. Then suddenly, your employer or the embassy asks for attested documents. You confidently submit your certificates, only to discover that they are not properly attested. Now your visa is delayed, your joining date is postponed, your employer is waiting, and in some cases, your opportunity could even be at risk. One missing stamp, one skipped authority, or one incorrect process. That's all it takes to create weeks or even months of unnecessary delays. In today's video, we'll explain everything you need to know about document attestation, why it's so important, which documents require attestation, how the worldwide process works, and how you can avoid unnecessary delays before they happen. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Legal Visa Services for trusted guidance on international documentation, visas, qualification verification, and global mobility. Many people think document attestation is simply getting a stamp on a certificate. In reality, it's much more than that. Document attestation is the official process of confirming that a document is genuine so it can be legally recognized in another country. Think of it as a passport for your documents. Just as your passport confirms your identity when you travel internationally, attestation helps authorities confirm the authenticity of your educational, personal, or commercial documents. When you present a degree certificate, marriage certificate, birth certificate, or company document in another country, the foreign government has no direct way to verify whether it is genuine. Attestation creates a trusted chain of verification through authorized government authorities. This is why employers, embassies, universities, licensing authorities, and government departments ask for attested documents before accepting them. Why is document attestation important? Imagine hiring a doctor, engineer, or teacher from another country without knowing whether their qualifications are genuine. Governments cannot take that risk. That's why document attestation exists. It helps establish confidence that your documents have been verified through the appropriate authorities before they are accepted internationally. Attestation is commonly required for employment visas, family visas, student visas, professional licensing, higher education, immigration, residence permits, company registration, business expansion, international legal matters. Whether you're moving abroad for work, education, business, or family reasons, document attestation is often an essential step in the process. Types of documents that can be attested. One of the biggest misconceptions is that only educational certificates require attestation. In reality, many different types of documents may need to be attested depending on your destination country and the purpose of your application. Educational documents. Examples include degree certificates, diploma certificates, school certificates, academic transcripts, mark sheets, technical qualifications, professional certifications. These are commonly required for employment, higher education, professional licensing, and qualification recognition. Personal documents. These may include birth certificates, marriage certificates, divorce certificates, death certificates, police clearance certificates, medical certificates, affidavits. Personal document attestation is often required for family visas, dependent visas, immigration, and legal procedures. Commercial documents. Businesses frequently require attestation for power of attorney, memorandum of association, articles of association, commercial invoices, trade licenses, certificates of incorporation, board resolutions, export documents. Commercial attestation is important for company registration, international trade, and business expansion. How does the attestation process work? One of the most important things to understand is this. There is no universal attestation process. Every country has different requirements. Every embassy follows different procedures. Every document type may have a different verification path. However, the process generally follows these stages. Step 1. Document assessment. The first step is identifying which document requires attestation, which country issued the document, which country will receive the document, the purpose of attestation. Starting with the wrong process can lead to delays and additional costs. Step 2. Verification in the issuing country. The document is verified by the appropriate authority in the country where it was issued. Depending on the document, this may involve educational institutions, state authorities, notaries, or other competent government departments. Step 3. National authentication. After the initial verification, the document may require authentication by the relevant national authority responsible for international document recognition. Step 4. Embassy or consulate attestation. Many destination countries require the document to be attested by their embassy or consulate after completing the procedures in the issuing country. Step 5. Destination country requirements. In some cases, an additional verification or authentication step may be required after the document reaches the destination country before it can be used officially. Why does the process differ from country to country? This is another common question. Every country has its own immigration laws, documentation policies, legal systems, ministry procedures, embassy requirements. That's why a degree certificate being used in the UAE may follow a different process than the same certificate being used in Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Oman, Europe, or another country. Understanding the destination country's specific requirements is essential before beginning the attestation process. Why choose legal visa services? At Legal Visa Services, we know that document attestation is more than paperwork. It's the foundation of your international journey. Our experienced team assists clients worldwide with educational document attestation, personal document attestation, commercial document attestation, country-specific guidance, thorough document review, higher success rates, lower turnaround time through accurate preparation, free consultation, end-to-end support until your documents are successfully processed. We help you understand the correct process before submission, reducing avoidable delays and helping you move forward with confidence. Document attestation is one of the most important steps in preparing for an international career, education, business, or family journey. Understanding the correct process today can help you avoid unnecessary delays tomorrow. If you're unsure about which documents need attestation or where to begin, our team at Legal Visa Services is here to help. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Legal Visa Services for more expert guidance on document attestation, qualification verification, visa documentation, and global mobility. You can get in touch with us on www.legalvisaservices.com. You can reach out on WhatsApp on +919 13 61 27 789, and you can talk to us on +919 13 61 27 789. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Legal Visa Services. Every week, we share trusted guidance on Saudi Arabia, the UAE, and GCC documentation, qualification verification, attestation, professional licensing, and work visa processes to help professionals worldwide make informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.